Hassan Campbell. I was going to leave you alone, right? But then once again, you make yourself look stupid, super stupid. You look like these trolls that's trolling LaTanya, Queen LaTanya Jones. You made a video saying that people lied on Nature Boy. That people that talk about Nature Boy be grabbing his balls. Didn't African Bambaataa molest you, right? You so-called African Bambaataa molest you, right? Okay. Didn't you, was a security guard? Didn't you, security for African Bambaataa? And he molested you, right? Okay. You talk so, like, tough and brolic, right? Why haven't you caught the people that molested your son? Nature Boy, all right, let his son touch his penis. After he was having sex with his baby moms. That didn't bother Nature Boy. He didn't flip out on his son. While his baby moms was breastfeeding, Nature Boy was having sex with his baby moms. But that's okay with you. That's all right with you. You know what? You forget Vic. You the king of trolls. You say some of the dumbest stuff I've probably ever seen. It's about awareness. But you wouldn't know about that. Because you don't. What happened to the people that molested your son? Have you done anything about that? Oh, you haven't. Oh, okay. You haven't. And then every time Jay Prince does something, you're always knocking that man down. What gives you the right, man? And then you got the nerve to go defend Nature Boy because you're defending him. You got African Bambaataa by the balls. You had him by the balls when you was security guard for him. What is wrong with you? Where do you get your mind from? Like, seriously. How do you think? How about you stop worrying about Jay Prince and worry about the people that molested your son? How about that? How about you go find the people that molested your son? We don't need to lie on Nature Boy. Look at Jazzy G's video. Look at World News. Go listen to Fundi Fee. Go listen to LaTanya Jones. Go listen to St. Tommy and King. That's me. I left you alone, Hassan. But then you want to be a big-ass troll and go talk about Nature Boy. Like, yo, you talking about Nature Boy like you done your research. You need to be put in a mental home. You do all this research on blood sacrifices and all this crazy shit, but you just make a video off of what one thing you've seen about Nature Boy and why we're doing this. You sound stupid. Oh, but I guess when your baby mother is breastfeeding your kids, you was having sex with her, right? I guess you like to let your son or your kids touch your penis, I guess, right? That's the type. Since you're defending Nature Boy, that's what you defending. This is all facts. It came out of his mouth. Before you do videos on Nature Boy, you dummy, do your research.